Aloha gang, how's it going? So today I will be cooking this pot roast. It's a pork roast, I'm sorry. And it's always tender roast flavor. Hormel. And they have no artificial ingredients, and it says it has been inspected. Okay, so it's marinated up to 30% added solution of pork broth, soybean oil, season, and vinegar, salt, and so this came already seasoned. So I'm just gonna put it. Let's see how we gotta cook it. I'm gonna put it in a slow cooker. So it says cover and cook on low for 8 hours or high for 4 hours. So I'm gonna do the high for 4 hours. And it says remove package, roast in. Okay, so I just added a little bit of water because I don't really know how it's supposed to be cooked. So I'm just gonna open it up and then put it into the for 4 hours. Maybe I'll just add in more seasoning because I put some water in there. So let's see what we have in the cabinets. So I'm just gonna add some of this garlic sea salt that I got from the Dollar Tree when I went to California. And then I'm gonna put some more garlic. So garlic. Pepper. Okay, and then I'll add some of the salt. I did finish my pork, the roast pork, so it became a soup and it tastes really good. So I added only that pepper and some garlic after when I was cooking it, and then I put some zucchini, some squash. You can put squash, and then I put onion and tomato, and then I also made some potato salad. This is great for this rainy day. So I'm gonna add some rice into that, and I would definitely recommend that the pork roast. It comes already marinated, and let's go check out the ones that I do have also. And then I have this one here, always tender teriyaki pork tenderloin. So it comes like that. And then I have a pork loin fillet, and it's like lemony garlic. So I have yet to try that one. And then we have another one, and that one would be honey mustard. Wow, it'll be a honey mustard flavor. So these are the pork that I have, newest edition that I'm trying, but the first one that I tried, it was really good so far. Now if you guys want to know about the other ones, I'll let you guys know later. Alright, so that would be my dinner, and I'll see you guys in my next video. You guys be safe out there and take care.